Having trouble verifying your Jotform account? Maybe the verification email never arrives, the link doesn't work, or your account still shows as unverified. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Jotform account verification issues in 2026. So let's get started. First, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder. Verification emails sometimes end up there instead of your main inbox. Email delivery can occasionally be delayed. Give it a few minutes, refresh your inbox, and then check again. If you still haven't received anything, use the resend verification option. A new email may solve the problem. Make sure you signed up with the correct email address. Even a small typo can prevent the verification message from reaching you. Yeah, sometimes browser-related issues prevent the verification page from opening properly. Try copying the link into another browser. Old browser data can interfere with verification pages. Clear your cache and cookies, restart the browser, and try again. Ad blockers and privacy extensions may interfere with redirects. Temporarily disable them and test the verification link again. Older verification links may expire. If you're using an email from earlier, request a fresh verification email and use the newest link. Try signing into your account and checking your account settings. Sometimes the account has already been verified, even if the confirmation page didn't appear. If none of these solutions work, contact Jotform support for help. I mean, they can investigate account-specific verification problems and manually assist if needed. And that's how to fix Jotform account verification issues in 2026. Most problems can be solved by checking spam folders, requesting a new email, or using a fresh verification link. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.